Hey everyone, if you've connected a custom domain to your Vercel project and need to verify ownership before it can go live, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to verify a domain in Vercel from start to finish in 2026. First, sign in to your Vercel account and open the project where you want to use the custom domain. Once you're inside the project dashboard, navigate to the Settings section and select Domains. Next, click Add Domain and enter the domain name you want to connect to your project. If you've already added the domain, locate it in your domain list. After adding the domain, Vercel will check whether the domain is already configured and will display any verification requirements. In most cases, Vercel will provide one or more DNS records that need to be added at your domain registrar or DNS provider. Now open your domain registrar's dashboard and navigate to the DNS management section. Carefully create the DNS records exactly as provided by Vercel. Depending on the verification method, you may need to add a TXT record, CNAME record, or another verification entry. And that's how to verify a domain in Vercel in 2026. By configuring the required DNS records correctly and allowing time for propagation, you can successfully verify ownership and connect your domain to your Vercel project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.